Hey y'all, it's your girl Imani and I'm back with another video. In today's video, we will be doing another meal prep video. I did get some things that aren't necessarily for meal prep, but I'll adjust the price to let you know how much I spent. So to start off, this is not part of meal prep. I'm doing a video with Velveeta and I just needed some things for that video. So I got some Doritos and some hot Cheetos. I got some frozen broccoli. This is also not part of meal prep, but I got some hot chocolate. I got some caramel hot chocolate and a French vanilla hot chocolate. I got a rotisserie chicken just because you'll see this is gonna be a very minimal cooking meal prep. I got some mint and then I also got some hoisin and some oyster sauce. So that's everything that I got from Walmart. At Walmart, I spent I'm sorry. I also got some toilet paper from Walmart. I usually get this from Costco, but I figured I would just get a small pack and then next time I go to Costco, I'll grab a big pack. At Walmart, I spent $32.17. Now let's move on to Aldi. It was some people outside selling candy for something, so I bought this. We're not gonna count that. I got some coleslaw, classic coleslaw mix. I got some shrimp. I got some mango. I got some immunity blend juice. It's not from concentrate. It's with organic apples, oranges, and carrots. I got a can of Rotel. This is for the Velveeta video as well as the ground chicken. I was gonna get ground turkey, but since I'm gonna be seasoning it like taco meat anyway, I feel like it don't really matter. And then last but not least, I got a bag of sweet potatoes. And I need to actually eat these because I literally just threw away a bag of sweet potatoes that I did not finish. So yeah. At Aldi, I spent $23.05. On the menu this week, I'm going to be making spring rolls and then I'm going to be making barbecue chicken, sweet potatoes. I have a video on that if you want to see that, but this is going to be like a quicker, no cook type method. Oh yeah, let's jump right on into it.
I should be downtown whipping on the way to you. You got something that belongs to me. Your body language says it all. Despite the things you said to me. Who is it that's got you all gassed up? Changing your opinion on me. I was only gone for the last few months, but you don't have time to wait on me. I tried with you. It's more than like the sleeping in and getting high with you.
All right, y'all, so we finna bust down the chicken. This week, I honestly, oh, there we go. Let's actually put this in the oven too. Y'all just heard the timer. We finna throw these sweet potatoes in the oven. Them is gonna go in there for an hour on 350. Boom. Honestly, this week for my meal prep, I just didn't have that much time. I had a lot to do today. And I couldn't keep eating out. I've been eating out for way too long and you just like your body start to feel it. Like I just don't feel good when I'm eating out consistently. So I knew that I needed to get in the kitchen and get something together, but I also knew that I did not have a lot of time to do it. So these are some meals that I can throw together pretty easily and it doesn't really require too much cooking. So we're making the barbecue sweet potatoes. I bought the rotisserie chicken so that I don't have to cook the chicken. I was honestly planning on, Aldi has like a barbecue chicken pack that I was planning on buying, but they didn't have it there today for some reason. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna take all the chicken off the bone and then I'm gonna just throw some barbecue sauce on this and call it a day. That's it, that's all. I was gonna put it on the stove, but I'm like, the chicken is cooked. I'll warm it up whenever I put it on the sweet potato and we'll be all right. Dang, why did I not realize you get this much chicken off a rotisserie? Shit. I might have to start buying rotisseries more often. This is a lot of chicken. And I have to cook it? You know, it's $5. This might be the move. I ain't even touched the other leg. Dang. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take the tail off of the shrimp and put it in the pot. since I'm making spring rolls with these, oh, they have the shell on them too. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm gonna take the shell and the tail off. Let's just dump all these out like that. How about that?
Take me through that, take me through that. Where we going, twin? Take me through that, take me through that. Where we going then? Take me through that, take me through that. We gone. Take me through that, take me through that. She gone. Out of that booth, she gone. Out of that over the air, she gone. I'm taking her up through the two on my go-to pair. Hydra, two players. Got body like she went on a drill. Look like she go trim. Cut it, get it on film. Four course meal, she ate up the drill. She wanna go through the yeah. Pop me in one name, tryna get fried. Take another piece of the fried. Gas up, shouted, up through the cool like a rocket for real. I told her charge me up, my phone died. She going no kill, yeah. Take me through that, take me through that. She going. Take me through that, take me through.
So this is actually my first time making it this way. I've only ever used it like making the chicken myself or using the barbecue chicken packet that I told y'all I get from Aldi. So I don't know, I'm just trying stuff. We're gonna throw a little bit of this jerk seasoning in there, and then the rest the barbecue sauce. I was gonna season it, but I mean it's a rotisserie chicken. I think they seasoned it a little bit. It tastes like chicken. I'm gonna put a little bit, maybe like, I say that's like half a tablespoon. Then I'll take some sweet baby rays and just load that thing up. This feels very weird. Let's try it. It tastes like barbecue chicken. I don't know what I expected it to taste like. This is gonna be good enough. I feel like this, on top of the sweet potato, if I need more barbecue sauce, I'll just add it when I'm eating it, so.
Girl that a wham in a circle, even if it look make it jump like a hurdle. Girl that a wham in a circle, even if it look make it jump like a hurdle.
Uncle Bernie, will you play with me? Okay, I'll get scissors. No, Uncle Bernie, you have to talk like Cindy. No. You have to say yes.
The next day.
Rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain.